last driving lesson.
Yeah.
Hiya guys, good morning. Oh, what am I saying good morning for? Hiya guys, welcome back to Clearview Driving, and today it's Millie's test. So we've got about half an hour from now. We're just gonna make our way towards the test centre. How are you feeling, Millie?
Nervous.
I think I'm a bit nervous for you.
Yeah.
No, I'm not. You're good, you know what you're doing. It's just about demonstrating you can control your vehicle. That's it. The examiners are all really nice, so just treat it like a normal lesson.
Yeah.
Okay? Alright, so we're gonna get started. It's okay to be nervous. It's, yeah, if you weren't, then I'll be like, whoa. When you first start, you are going to be nervous for at least a good 5 minutes or so, and then you kind of relax up a little bit more.
Okay.
Alright, we'll go straight in from here. I'm going to put the AC on, yeah?
Just keep me to remember, keep going into first when I stop instead of...
Do you want me to put a little reminder in the car? Like, there's a little white sticker here, that'll be a reminder that, oh, change gears.
That's true, that's actually clever.
Turn right from the end.
Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Right. Oh, sorry. Oh, okay. Right. I'm not gonna stress, I'm just gonna
breathe it out. So when you started moving off and it felt a bit difficult, did you realise that something's up? Okay, the roundabout goes straight ahead, it's the second exit. So with that, yeah, that one there.
gonna overtake me. Oh, okay.
They're just unnecessarily overtaking.
I can't. I mean, it's just.
You're good, but they're just being really silly with it. Yeah. All right, so we're gonna go straight ahead from here.
Is it up there?
Yeah.
Okay, so.
With that one, what you've got to do is, because there's a width restriction, you need to do that right turn wider, so that you go more straight, and then you don't have to turn at the end. But it's okay. Sensors going off is not an issue.
Yeah, okay.
So we're going to go left at the very end of this road. safely. It's funny because you checked your mirrors, you signalled, you're the first car, yet he's kind of pushed and squeezed through that gap, didn't he? That was good awareness and planning with the vehicle there. Well done, it's a really tight little turn that. Dealt with that really well.
Someone's engines
Really the vans, isn't it? Yeah.
Oh yeah, probably.
And at the traffic lights we're going to go right. One of those wing mirror spiders again. Look, there's a little spider web.
Oh yeah.
Because he's at that speed, just kind of move out of the way and kind of take your time with it. It's really quick. That van was in an annoying spot, you know, the one that's on the pavement?
Yeah.
Because it kind of blocks that side, doesn't it? Been into the test centre car park, haven't we?
Yeah. Pretty sure. Do you want me to just go?
Going ahead?
Yeah.
So that lorry's in a bit of a horrible position if you were to drive down from the other side as well. No, it was a bit tight though. Definitely first gear on that one. That was not a nice turn. Go slow.
Yeah, I don't really like this entrance.
It's not very nice.
Sorry. Is that okay?
Yeah, we're going to reverse into that end space right there. Take your time with it.
Okay.
Okay, when you're ready, let's reverse into that end space. Secure the car.
Yeah.
Nice and relax.
That's fine. Isn't it?
Oh, we're in the space. You can check. Go ahead.
Yeah.
How's that look?
Yeah, it's okay, I think. I don't know, maybe did I turn a bit late? That's why I had to wiggle a little
that's
bit
why,
in.
yeah. That's why it went like that. But it's okay.
Yeah.
You managed to kind of wiggle it back into position.
Okay.
Just don't, with your steering, don't be afraid of kind of just turning it.
Quite a
Don't
bit.
think, oh, I need to do a little bit. If you need to do loads, just turn it. Play around with it.
Okay.
All right. We got this.
Okay.
All right, guys. We'll catch you in a little while. Let you know how it goes.
Yeah.
But you've got this. You have got this.
I'll just try. We'll just see what happens.
That's it, yeah. Give it your all. Alright, here you go, Millie. How did it go?
It was fine. I wasn't that nervous after a bit of it. And yeah, the park was the only risky bit. But yeah, I did actually not think.
Well done.
Right, I'm fine. Well, thank you very much.
That's alright. So was it as hard as you thought it would be?
No, I think because we've gone round it so many times.
So we've been...
I'm happy I got to do I keep forgetting the willow tree.
Yeah.
I was happy with that. So I was
That's
like,
good.
I love that roundabout. I might just drive up here anyway just to do it. It was fine. He said it was like good, but it's just the brake sounded like it went like that.
Oh, so
it scared me.
The ABS went off.
Yeah, I think. But like, because I literally slammed my feet. Because he did it. Because normally when we do it, you leave like a bit of time for me to drive. Like literally, I started driving, and he was like, stop, and I was like, ah, because I got scared. So I was like, yeah. Well, the child wouldn't have got killed.
Well, that's definitely good.
Like my other one. God.
But it's alright, you learned from the last emergency brake. It's good, it's good. But no, really well done.
God,
Alright.
I can't believe it.
That's the end of Millie's driving lessons.
I
So
realise I'm so close to the camera now.
yeah, I know. You can move your seat back if you like.
No, it's alright. It's fine.
But this is the last time you guys will be seeing Millie. Thank you for following along and watching, and really well done.
Thank you.
I feel like a proud parent
No,
right now.
I'm so happy. It's so good.
Oh, really well done now. I'm really happy. But even if you did make a mistake today, it wouldn't be an issue.
No.
But it's gone the way
It's
we wanted
good.
it to. It's
Yeah.
really good.
Cool. Well,
All right, thank you. Bye bye.
did you pass your first test?
No,
You didn't?
I am so thankful I did not pass when I was 17,
Why?
because I would have made so many mistakes. I don't think I was fully all there to be driving at that time. But that first test, because I'd never done a mock test before.
Oh, okay.
So that first test
If
was
we
like a
hadn't done mock
reality check.
tests, I would have not been able to. It's just because it doesn't make it like, I don't feel like I was like driving until we started doing mock tests, and then I
Yeah.
realised that I could actually do it.